skygazers have been sharing their photos of the moon lining up neatly with Venus, Saturn and Jupiter in the night sky. The spectacular lunar event, taking place overnight on Monday, November the 8th, inspired many to point their cameras upwards and start shooting at the brightly illuminated celestial objects. In each of the pictures, Jupiter can be seen in the top left corner, with Saturn appearing close to it. The Moon and Venus, meanwhile, appear to be sitting close to each other much further to the right-hand side of the photos and nearer to the horizon. Both of them appearing to follow the same trail extending from Jupiter and Saturn. This has been a particularly fruitful week for skygazers, who were also treated to the sight of the Moon nestling close to Venus overnight on Sunday, November the 7th. The Earth's natural satellite, which is currently in a waxing crescent phase, waxing meaning it is getting better, has since sidled past the planet, and now appears in between Venus and Saturn in the night sky. According to NASA, the Moon will continue on its trajectory over the coming days, and it will also approach and bypass Saturn and Jupiter in a similar manner before Thursday, November the 11th, when it will be in a waxing gibbous phase. It will enter a full moon phase on Friday, November the 19th, but one day prior to this it will be partially obscured and discolored by the Earth's shadow, in a phenomenon called a partial lunar eclipse. It's set to occur on the night of Thursday, November the 18th, but will be visible at different times from different locations around the world, including the US. NASA has said that people based on the east coast of the US will get their best view of the partial lunar eclipse at the tricky time of 4:02 a.m. ET in the early hours of Friday, November the 19th, but that the event will begin at 2:18 a.m. and end at 5:47 a.m. Rather than being cast into total darkness, the Moon will instead carry a deep red tint, caused by light from the Sun passing through the Earth's atmosphere and bending towards the Moon. Gases in the atmosphere affect blue light more than red, according to the University of Rochester. In addition, throughout November and early December, it will be possible to see Jupiter and Saturn creep ever closer to Venus, which should remain easily distinguishable, as it is the second brightest natural object in our night sky, behind the Moon.